Have you ever noticed how every season seems to bring new reasons to spend money? Winter holidays, spring cleaning, summer vacations, and fall festivals. It feels like there's always something asking for your wallet's attention. It's no wonder so many people struggle to save money all year round. But what if you could turn the changing seasons into an advantage instead of a challenge? Imagine saving money not by cutting out fun, but by making small, smart changes that match each season's needs. In this video, I will show you how to save money every season with fresh, practical ideas you may not have tried before. From energy-saving hacks in winter to budget-friendly adventures in summer, you'll learn how to keep more cash in your pocket without feeling deprived. Ready to make saving a year-round habit? Let's dive in. Number 1. Winter Wonders. Saving without freezing your wallet. Winter can be magical with snowflakes, holidays, and cozy nights by the fire. But it can also be expensive. Heating bills rise, holiday shopping adds up, and shorter days mean more indoor activities. Here's how to stay warm and save money during winter. Be a heating pro. Heating costs can eat up your budget, but small changes can lower your bill. Use a programmable thermostat to control temperatures. Setting it lower while you sleep or when you're away can cut heating costs by 10 to 12% a year. Energy Star. Reverse your ceiling fan to spin clockwise. It pushes warm air down and helps rooms stay cozy without turning up the heat. Try the Cold Cash Challenge. Make saving fun with this winter-inspired game. Save an amount equal to the outside temperature each day, e.g., $30 for 30 degrees Fahrenheit. By the end of winter, you'll have built a savings fund without even realizing it. Shop smart after the holidays. Winter sales are gold mines for savings. Shop off-season deals. Buy winter clothes, heaters, and holiday decorations in January when stores clear inventory. Gift card trick. Many people sell unused gift cards after the holidays. Buy them at a discount and save on future purchases. Keep it cozy for less. Seal windows and doors with inexpensive weather strips to stop heat from escaping. Layer up with sweaters and blankets instead of cranking up the heat. Winter doesn't have to be expensive. With these simple tricks, you can stay warm, enjoy the season, and save money, all at the same time. Number 2. Spring forward, budget blooms with fresh starts. Spring is the season of fresh starts. Flowers bloom, homes get cleaned, and people feel ready to tackle new goals. It's also the perfect time to refresh your budget and find new ways to save money. Here's how to make your wallet bloom this spring. Declutter and make money. Spring cleaning isn't just about tidying up. It's a chance to turn clutter into cash. Sell unwanted items. Use apps like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or Poshmark to sell clothes, furniture, or gadgets you no longer need. Host a virtual yard sale. List items online instead of setting up a physical yard sale. This saves time and reaches more buyers. Use the money earned to pay off debt, build savings, or treat yourself guilt-free. Garden on a budget. Spring inspires many people to start gardening, but it doesn't have to cost a fortune. Swap seeds and plants. Join local gardening groups to exchange seeds and plants instead of buying new ones. Use household waste. Egg cartons can be seed starters, and coffee grounds make great fertilizer, saving money while helping the environment. DIY tools. Repurpose old containers or wooden crates as planters instead of buying expensive pots. Clean up your subscriptions. With warmer weather, people spend more time outdoors and less time streaming TV or using gym memberships. Audit subscriptions. Cancel unused services and memberships before they renew automatically. Households spend an average of $219 per month on subscriptions, CNBC. Cutting just a few can save hundreds each year. Spring is all about growth and renewal. You'll set yourself up for financial success through the rest of the year. Number 3. Sizzling summer. Hot weather, cool savings. Summer is the season of vacations, BBQs, and outdoor fun. But the heat can also burn a hole in your wallet if you're not careful. Luckily, you can enjoy the sunshine without overspending. Here's how to keep cool and save big this summer. Turn your home into a vacation spot. Vacations can cost thousands, but you don't have to travel far to feel like you're on holiday. DIY staycation ideas. Set up a backyard movie night with a projector and blankets. Host a themed dinner night. Think Hawaiian luau or Mexican fiesta. Plan day trips to local parks, beaches, or free community events. Many cities host free outdoor concerts, festivals, and movie nights. Check local event calendars. Beat the heat without blowing the budget. Air conditioning is great, but it can skyrocket your energy bill. Try these hacks to stay cool for less. Block the heat. Use blackout curtains to keep the sun out and rooms cooler. DIY air cooler. Freeze a damp sheet and hang it in front of an open window or fan for a chilled breeze. Smart thermostat moves. Set your thermostat a few degrees higher when you're out. Even small adjustments can cut costs by 10%. Energy.gov. Save on summer gear. Summer activities often require equipment like bikes, grills, and patio furniture. Buy used. Look for deals on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Many people sell lightly used gear after upgrading. Shop post-summer sales. Stores offer deep discounts on outdoor items in August and September. Summer is about fun, but it doesn't have to come with big bills. With these tips, you can enjoy the season without overspending and keep saving for the rest of the year. Number 4. Autumn prep, falling leaves, and rising savings. Autumn is a season of change, cooler weather, shorter days, and the start of holiday planning. It's also the perfect time to prepare your budget before the busy end-of-year rush. Here's how to save money this fall and set yourself up for success. Plan ahead for the holidays. The holidays can sneak up on you, leading to last-minute spending. Avoid overspending by planning early. Make a holiday budget now. Set a spending limit for gifts, decorations, and travel. Early shopping strategy. Start buying gifts in September or October to take advantage of fall sales and avoid holiday price hikes. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey to save even more when shopping online. Warm up to meal planning. Cooler weather is perfect for warm, hearty meals and saving on food costs. Batch cooking saves time and money. Make large pots of soups, stews, or casseroles and freeze portions for later. Potluck meal swaps. Host a dinner swap with friends or neighbors. Each person cooks one dish and shares, saving everyone time and money. Buy fruits and vegetables in season like pumpkins, squash, and apples, which are cheaper and fresher in the fall. Prepare your home for winter. Get your home ready for colder weather to avoid costly heating bills later. Seal the leaks. Use weather strips or caulking to block drafts around doors and windows. Hang thick curtains to keep warmth inside, and place rugs on bare floors to add extra insulation. Clean or replace filters to make your heating system run more efficiently. Autumn is a season of preparation. By planning ahead, cooking smarter, and winter-proofing your home, you'll save money now and be ready for the colder months ahead. Number 5. Year-round strategies that save. Saving money doesn't have to depend on the season. Some smart habits can help you save all year long, no matter the weather. Build tiny savings every day. Saving money doesn't always mean making big changes. Small, consistent habits add up fast. Use apps like Acorns or Chime, which round up your purchases and save the spare change automatically. The $5 rule. Every time you get a $5 bill, put it in a jar. Many people save hundreds this way without even noticing. Pick one day a week to spend nothing, no coffee, no takeout, no shopping. Instead, cook at home and enjoy free activities. Create money goals you can see. It's easier to save when you have clear goals. Make a vision board. Cut out pictures of what you're saving for: a vacation, a new car, or a debt-free life. Hang it where you'll see it every day for motivation. Track progress visually. Use a chart or app to watch your savings grow. Treat it like a game and celebrate small wins along the way. Learn to save smarter. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Take free online courses about budgeting and investing through platforms like Khan Academy or Coursera. Follow personal finance podcasts, join online forums, or attend local finance workshops to pick up new tips. With these habits, saving money can become part of your daily routine, no matter the season. By making small changes and learning new skills, you'll build a stronger financial future all year long. Saving money doesn't have to feel hard or boring. As you've seen, every season offers unique chances to spend smarter and save more. The best part? You don't have to make big sacrifices. With creative tips and smart planning, You can enjoy each season without overspending. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.